We all keep purchasing new products every now and then, don't we? Even I have purchased a few, and today I'm going to try them out for the first time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priya, and as you know, today I'm going to be trying new products that I have purchased, and they are enough to do a full face of makeup. Some of these are very old products. You might have already tried them out, but they are still first time for me. I'm very excited to try them out. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let me tap my hair. Let me also wear some earrings. I literally look tuckly in this. These products have been with me for a couple of months, and I'm very excited because firstly, I'm going to get to try them, and the other thing is I have enough products that I could actually do a full face of makeup. So first one is this e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. I'm very excited to try this one because every time I wanted it, it was out of stock, and I got this from Canada. Let's try it out. Now this is not a very thick product, so I think I can just blend it out like this. It is adding so much glow, and it is adding that extra shiny layer on my skin right now. It looks shiny and doesn't look like I have anything on my skin. It just looks like that glowy skincare product that I have used. So far, so good. Now up is this concealer. This is from Rimmel. Again, this is something I got from Canada. It is also available in India um, if it is in stock. Now, okay. Hiding my dark circles and doing some spot concealing. Blending this out, I'm going to use a damp sponge. Or am I just supposed to blend it with my fingers? Let me try it out this way. Fingers are doing a better job. I think this is going to be a good no makeup look. I'm not going to use any foundation, but this skin tint is from, again, Rimmel London. This one is in the shade Golden Beige, and this is Rose Vanilla. I think this is going to be light for me, and this is going to be a bit darker for me. So I'm just going to mix them up. I just hope this is going to give that perfect shade for my skin. Okay, we're ready to try. This should work. That literally looks like a perfect shade for me. And now I'm going to blend it out. I'm not sure if it is making my skin look oily or glowy. It is not sticky, so I think I can call it glowy. I don't know how it's looking on camera, but I like how it is looking right now. Now to set this up, I'm going to use my old powder that I have from Mars. Like, setting powders are something that don't get over. It looks good. I don't do much to my brows. I don't know how to do. So I'm going to leave it like that. For my eyeshadows, I'm going to use this palette from Nykaa. Now this is not something that I have purchased. I just got it in one of my orders as my birthday gift. I'm going to keep my makeup very natural, and for that I'm going to start with this peach one. I think that matches my skin tone and helps my eyes look similar. Next up, I'm going to take this brown color and use it, I guess, on my outer corners. I think that's enough. I really want to try this shimmer as well, so I'll just... Shade is not that shimmery. Let me try. I'll just take it on my brush and put it in the inner corners. So that is For my eyes, I'm also going to use that brown shade again on my lower lash line. Overall, a good palette. It has good pigment that showed up on my skin, and I did not like the shimmer one in the nude colors though. This is from Rene, and they had this offer going on in which I got this eyeliner. That was difficult, but it looks good, okay. I cannot do similar eyeliners. I'm going to try. And yet again, I have failed real bad. They say practice makes man perfect. I've been trying to do a perfect eyeliner for years now, and I still don't know how to get it. It's okay, as long as I can at least do something. Let's cut off that drama, and now moving on to this cuties. They are from Rare Beauty. My friend got it for me. Starting with the blush, I've heard that the blushes Rare Beauty has are very pigmented, so I'm just going to start with one and two dots. Should I do it simultaneously or just I'll do one at a time? This is my favorite blush brush. Let's see. It is easy to blend. I think I need more. I don't quite see the pigment of it on my skin. Maybe I'll just do more and blend it with my fingers this time. Okay, it did give me the color that I need on my face, but I quite did not like the shade. Now moving on to the highlighter. I'm not a highlighter person, but let's try. I'll just put one dot. I don't know how to put highlighters. Okay. This is giving something. Whenever I'm wearing lens, I have to wear kajal and liner because lens make your eyes look bigger. It's from Oriflame Jordani Gold, and I really like how pigmented it is. I have used this one quite a few times before, but this is my first pencil and I really like it. So I have curled my eyelashes. This is my first time that I'm going to use this lash sensational waterproof Maybelline mascara. I have never used it. I'm really looking forward to using this one. I like the wand of this one. I like wands like this. They are not going to make your eyelashes stick together, but separate them out. I like this mascara, but I don't feel bad that I didn't try it before because I do have a similar mascara that did the same thing for me. And now the lips. I really feel like even do whatever you want to do in makeup, but till the time you don't do your lips, it doesn't feel complete. So these are the lip liners that I'm going to try for the first time. One of them is from Swiss Beauty and other one is from Mars. The fact that these are very affordable, I guess one of these was just for rupees 39 and I like the price of it. So I just wanted to give it a try. Red is not something that I would really use on a very daily basis. So I'm going to go in with this lip liner from Swiss Beauty and it is in the shade Bright Maroon L31. I like to bring in the lip liner. I have this lip jelly from Tower 28. I'm very excited to try this one. It's in a good mauve shade. I like the color, but I don't like the taste of it. It's very weird. It smells also really different. And that's my complete makeup look. Oops. I don't know how to contour and all, but this is all the makeup that I know. And it looks good. I like the highlighter. That's giving good, that's highlighting my temples really well. For the blush, though, I do think I should have a different color. This doesn't work for me. I like the lip shade. Now it's not even having that smell, or it is not even giving me any taste, but it's good. I like the lip gloss. This is from Tower 28, like I mentioned. I got it from Canada. I'm not sure if it is available in India in Sephora, but it is good. Would this be my daily routine? No. I'm going to change a few products. First, I would change my blush. Then, I would also like to have a concealer that is a bit lighter and thicker. This was too watery, and though it's good for like no makeup look, this is a perfect one. But I still would like to hide my dark circles a bit more. So I would like to change on the concealer. This base though is really nice. I would really like to use these two products together again. And yeah, that is going to be it. Like I said, this is my favorite eye pencil right now. It's a good kajal. And for the lip liners, I'm going to check on how long do they stay, and on that I can decide on, only then I can decide if they are good. But for rupees 39 and 49, what else should we expect? That is also a thing, but color wise and the pigment is really nice. Eyeliner is something that I cannot do, but it's looking good, right? I think I did a good job at it. I also think I should learn to do my brows because they look very light right now. And that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these makeup products and you love them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.